I'm going to explain how to create your own neural avatar on the Krea.Ai website. First, we turn on the VPN, go to the Krea.Ai website, and purchase a subscription. I recommend getting the Pro subscription because it allows you to create a lot more images. But to start with, even the basic subscription will be enough for you. Next, after we've paid for the subscription, we go to the home page and then to the Train tab. Here we have several options for what exactly we want to train. We need to train an avatar using the Flux neural network. If we do this in Krea.1, it will only work with Krea. But if we do it in Flux, it will work with both Flux and Krea. We select Flux, click on it, and upload our photos there, which should be prepared in advance, of course. I select all of them and click Upload. What are the important requirements for uploading photos? First, all the photos should be different, in different clothes, in different locations, and in different styles. They should include selfies, mirror photos, black and white photos, photos from different angles, with eyes open, with eyes closed, smiling, sad, and so on. Here you can take a look at my photos. They haven't all loaded yet. Krea tells me that the number of photos is great and the photo resolution is excellent. You need to keep an eye on these two sliders. If there aren't enough photos, upload more. It says you need to upload at least 3, but I recommend using no fewer than 25 photos. That way, your model will resemble you as closely as possible. Now, this is very important. After we've uploaded the photos, we don't click yet, we go over here to the settings. What do we need to specify in the settings? That we're training a character. And here, select the number of steps so that it's right at the limit. So if I go here, it already tells me that the number of steps is too high. But here it's fine. If I choose 150 steps for 50 photos, that means it will study each photo in 3 steps. If I choose 500 steps for 50 photos, it will use at least 10 steps for each photo. So here we select the very last acceptable value. Well, you can set it within 400 here, for example, right? If you have more than 50 photos and we don't change these parameters. Trigger word, what is that? It's the name your model will have. My name is Dasha. So here I write Dasha1 since I already have one Dasha. And after that, you can close the settings window. You should understand that here we can also train a style. So, for example, if you like drawn images, you upload 20 to 50 drawn pictures here and train a drawn style. Or, for instance, you like photos taken on an iPhone in an influencer style. So we go to Pinterest or Instagram, take screenshots of such images, upload them here, and your photos will be much closer to the influencer style. We can also train any object here. But be aware that if the object has any inscriptions or some kind of complex pattern or texture, it won't replicate it exactly with that in mind. So we've selected a category, given a trigger word, and now we can move on to the button. My trained model already exists here. Training the model takes about 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, you can start generating images with your model. Where does this happen? Here we have a tab, we click on it, and a new dialog window opens. We can generate with our style using Krea and Flux. Krea makes the photos look more cinematic, as if they have filters and graininess. It has a cool style, but it doesn't replicate a person very well. I'll show you now. You can see what I look like. Now let's try generating with Krea, and then I'll show you Flux. Let's add a girl. We write, a young girl, dressed in a vibrant red and crisp white t-shirt, with her long dark hair neatly tied back in a practical ponytail, is comfortably seated at her sturdy wooden desk, diligently working in front of her modern, sleek laptop computer. Krea doesn't understand Russian, so all the prompts I write in Russian, and right here in this dialog box, I translate them. We generate and see what it gives us. You see, this is Krea, and in 3 out of 4 pictures, I'm Chinese. Well, I mean, there are some of my facial features. Well, this one, yeah, is a bit more kind of scary looking. This one too, well, looks similar. That's a Chinese woman. That's a Chinese woman. Now we turn on Flux and see how it does it. Its colors are less attractive, but it replicates the person better. Although sometimes it does strange things. Sometimes they are six fingers, but the person comes out better. Look at this. Not bad, right? Looks similar. Well, that's basically it. Have fun. In the next video, I'll explain how to do photo shoots in this neural network in a consistent style. I have my own specific method for how I do this. It works really well so that you appear in the same outfit, in the same location with the same photo style. Go to the next video if it's already uploaded and check it out.